Oke, selamat pagi. Kembali lagi bersama saya Angela Samud, kelas 2020A, program studi keperawatan. Yang pertama, saya akan membacakan sebuah teks bahasa Inggris dari Sofail. Yang kedua, menjelaskan imperatif sentence. Yang ketiga, menerjemahkan dari bahasa Indonesia education patients about their medications. The potential and limitation of writing drug information. Drug information and labels and insert is a major source of knowledge for patients as they of drugs and administer them safely. Yet this information is often inconsistent, complete, and difficult for patients to read and understand. We reviewed the numbers search of writing, prescription, drug information, the regulation that given their content, and format and the look of oversight in the process, and the histories that lead to this system. We suggest that exercise and standards are needed so that writing drug information can serve as a coherent and organized system to educate patients. To make truthful decisions about using medication and to make them safely and appropriately, patients must have at least a basic of the hair prescribed drugs and how to administer them. Recent sabbatic problems associated with commonly prescribed and aggressive advertised medications such as the inhibitors and antidote person have English. Offers about the importance of considering medication risks. In its 2006 report, Prevent Americans Errors, the Institute of Medicine's highlights the pervasive problem of poor Americans severely. Adly, patients about risks, benefits, and self-admin threshold of medication from their and premises survey indicate that most patients prefer to receive this information from their patients and selected intermediaries. However, the here is considerable evidence that such discussions occur infrequently and are often with limits. A recent study evaluation auditive office visits and found major shortfalls in the quality of information, communications to patients about their prescribed medicines and precise explanation, adverse effects and duration of therapy in only about a third of the discussion, and provide patients with interaction for us in only 55% of the discussions. Communication with pharmacists is also as a result many patients rely on writing information, either on label or in packing insert. Search of writing prescriptions, drug information contain labels and CME leaflets. Patients have several sources of written information about prescription drug. The container label provides basic drug information such as the drug name, dose interaction, pharmacist, and patient's name. The container also sometimes includes sticker to communicate advertised warning and administration direction. Supplementary leaflets often accompany prescription violet, referred to as consumer medication information or CME, that have more surface area. The container label and are used to communicate additional information about medication, directions, risks, and benefits. Some drugs are dispensed feedback insert. A document approved the Food and Drug Administration or FDA that contains scientific information about pharmacokinetics, pharmacodynamics, molecular structure, indication rights, and benefits despite recent formatting key to simplicity. Readability. This document use technical language make it precise but is frequently delivered to patients via single dose containers backed by the manufacturer. Imperative sentence is a form of sentence in English that uses to provide interjection and lie. For example of imperative sentence related to nursing. Number 1. I recommend you go to the hospital. I am dedicated to need go hospital right. 2. You need to go hospital right. 3. Clean jelly very foam now. 4. Give me the drug. 5. Do not use item in the operative room. 6. You have sex least a year for you hurt. 7. Take the medicine 3 times daily. 8. Please corner ratic. 9. Do not let the medicine be taken. 10. Don't be afraid to take medicines then. Translate the following sentence I to me communicating a genetic pain. Yang pertama, minum obat secara teratur. Take medication regularly. Kedua, jangan mengonsumsi banyak garam. Do not consume a lot of salt. Ketiga, jangan membuka matamu. Don't open your ears. Keempat, pergilah ke klinik Dr. Ronald sekarang. Go to Dr. Ronald clinics now. Jangan minum minuman beralkohol. Do not drink alcoholic beverages with foreigners. Pergilah ke klinik Dr. Ronald sekarang. Go to the Ronald Doctor Clinic now. Thank you.